Mr. Ryan Toy Review.
Hey Ryan!
Hey Mommy!
What do you have there?
It's the Flipping Thomas!
Turbo Flip Thomas?
Yeah!
Thomas and Friends Turbo Flip Thomas.
Wheels up! Let's roll! Bet you never saw a train do this before.
Thomas does 5 amazing tricks.
Unboxing time! Let's open it! Mommy, can we open it? Now I'm super excited.
Yeah, let's go. Whoa.
Let's test it out. Let's try it out again.
Come on, friend.
This is what happens when you press the number 1.
Whoa! Wheels up! Phew! That was close.
I'm gonna press forward. Now I'm gonna press the flip button. Kids, now I'm gonna press the spinning button.
Let's do an even steep spin.
I'm gonna press the wheelie button.
Wheels up! Let's roll!
Yeah! Whoa!
Was that cool?
Yeah!
Come on, friend! Let's roll!
Oh, whoa!
Let's roll!
Whee! Look, let's do this. He just did a wheelie!
He did.
Look at it again.
Express flipping through!
Ooh.
Whoa! Whoa! Okay, he's gonna go front.
Okay.
Whee!
Oh.
Whoa!
Ryan, on a scale of 1 through 5, what do you think about the Thomas Turbo Flip?
4.
4. Why 4?
Because they keep crashing.
Oh yeah, sometimes it crashes and it can't get up, right?
Uh-huh.
Whoa. Can you pick him up?
This is not part of the routine. A little help, please. Express flipping through!
Whoa!
This is not part of the routine. A little help, please. Thank you, friend.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
Express flipping through!
What happened?
This is not part of the routine. A little help, please.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Oh yeah, subscribe. See you later. Bye. Big one.
Yeah, I saw. Open it and look. What do you see?